this project with Sigma Integration, the client came to the sales team with a need for case packing beverages into cardboard boxes.
In an accelerated timeline, they were initially looking at 6 weeks to have this solution up and running.
We took a look at the cardboard box and the size of the beverage cans, and we decided that a pick and place would be best for the application. So we were able to get a machine that would erect the case, automatically pack the case, as well as seal the cardboard case. They also had a confined space in which they needed to fit that equipment in, and through our custom conveyance that we built for the system, we were able to fit 3 pieces of equipment as well as custom conveyance into that facilitated area that they had scoped for the project.
The pieces of equipment used in this were 2 pieces were used in-house. The 3rd one was from our recovery department. The 3 pieces were rebuilt and retooled using in-house engineering in a 6-week span.
So we had the ability to take all 3 pieces that we had in stock to meet the customer's timeline as well as their budget constraints.
The client's new desired output rate was for them to run about 15 cases a minute, which is about 360 bottles a minute. If they had not gone with our solution and had stayed with a manual case packing, it would have required about 7 to 8 people to run that kind of rate. With the solution that Sigma was able to provide, they got that head count down to 2 to 3 people. Long term, this system allows our client to be able to have more flexibility at their production. It also allows them to drive that head count down and use those employees elsewhere in their building for further capacity increases.